Today is July 31, 5:40 p.m. It's been 4 months since I've installed this LED solar CCTV light. Actually, the purpose of this, our main purpose, and why I installed this here, a strategic position. I'm gonna reveal to you now, is to protect the fruit, this jackfruit. The fruits of this tree, jackfruit tree. See? So far, it serves the purpose. Protecting from unauthorized harvesters, if you know what I mean. Since I've installed this, I never turn it off. The bar is still blinking. That means it's charging. We'll check it out later, about 6:30 p.m. See you later. There's an update for our solar CCTV. See, it's still blinking. It's been almost a year. Cobwebs. Still evidence that it has been installed for a long time, but it still works. Turn it off since I installed it. So it's the cookies. Fruits are here. Touch. Kita bye.